Today we will talk about different types of forest. First forest is mountain forest. Mountain forest receives heavy rainfall. This type of forest stretches from the western Himalayas to the eastern Himalayas. The trees found in the western part are broad-leaved. California's trees are very tall, cone-shaped and have needle leaves. These forests are found in Himalaya, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh. And the trees found in this forest are cheer, deodar, fir, oak, maple, pine. These trees are found in these areas. Now we will talk about deciduous forest. The deciduous forest covered a large part of India. The trees found in this region are tall with the broad trunk. The trees found over here are mango, neem, bamboo, shisham, rosewood. These are the trees of this forest. And these forests are mainly found in Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Some of the taller trees shade their leaves in the dry season. Now next forest is swamp forest. We will talk about swamp forest. Swamp forests are found along the Andaman Nicobar Island and the delta areas of Ganga-Brahmaputra River Delta. They are also known as mangrove forests. The state of West Bengal has huge area of mangrove forests. A tree called Sundari grows in the Ganga-Brahmaputra Delta. This region is also referred to as Sundarbans, the name after this tree. The roots of the trees found in the Sundarbans are above water level to breathe through pores. Many trees are Sundari trees. Now red evergreen forest. These forests are found in South and Western Ghat, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This forest covers the state Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Tripura. Tall, straight, evergreen trees are found in this forest. The trees often rise to great height before they spread their branches like cauliflower. The common trees found here are rosewood and ebony. Now we will talk about desert forests. Desert forests are mainly found in Rajasthan and Gujarat. The trees and shrubs found in this region have long roots to absorb water from the soil. Thick, dark and small leaves are other feature of the trees found in the area. Babool and kikar are the main trees found over here. Now we will talk about the nature's botany of India. India's wildlife is rich and diverse. The forests are home of the many reptiles and wild animals. And wild animals are lived in this forest and they are protected also. India has a vast forest covered in the different areas. Biosphere reserve protect large area. And nowadays these slowly forests are decreasing, but for decreasing forests some movements are also came in existence to protect the forest, that is Chipko movement in Uttarakhand, where many women protected forest trees by hugging them, and they protect forests by hugging them and covering them surroundingly. That is Gaura Devi. was the leader of that movement, and that movement was held in 1973 in Uttarakhand. That was the Chipko movement, and they used to save trees. Thank you. Have a nice day.